So a couple of months ago, Gavin and I went ahead and unboxed his brand new Toro 60 volt super recycler model 21566. Why don't you go ahead and tell the people what you did?
I took it back.
He took it back. And for what?
I'll show you.
A Toro 60 volt super recycler. Model 21568.
Yeah.
Let's find out why. Here we go. All right, so Gavin's had this for a couple months now. He's been using it. He's been putting it through the paces. We've already swapped the standard blade out for the performance blade. It's essentially the same mower. Let's just put that to bed right now. There are a couple of differences, which I will go over in another video. I actually have one of these as well, so we're both going to be testing it together and we're going to put a review together for you. But I want to find out why he took this back, and then you can subscribe and stay tuned for my unboxing video of mine, and I'll go over top to bottom all the differences as I put it together and show you how it goes together and all that stuff. So, you took it back. Tell the people why.
It's obviously not something ideal to do, but I talked to Jimmy and he knew the specs, he went through it, and he helped me find out that they weren't very different at all. But the feature that I really thought was important to me is because I work during the day and I'm really busy after work, I usually mow in the night, were these lights right here. These lights were so important to me just because sometimes I'm mowing after that 8 p.m. or right now 9 p.m. when the sun goes down. I'm finishing my mow in my backyard, so I need the lights, and I didn't want to have to wear headlamps or put lamps on my mower, so to me that was a big deal and a convenience that I thought was worth the hassle. And then at the time of when this came out, it was actually released for $50 cheaper than the other. And that was kind of like the last straw. I was thinking like, okay, that's enough. If I'm saving money and if I'm getting an extra feature, it's just worth it to me.
So at the time he bought this, and at the time of this video recording, this model here with the headlights is still $50 cheaper. And everything else about the mower is pretty much the same. So you're getting essentially the same mower for $50 less, plus headlights. So something to think about if you're shopping around for a super recycler, or in this case an electric super recycler. How are the headlights?
They get the job done.
You can see. It's
not anything crazy like it's lighting up the whole yard, but it's just right in front of your path. You can kind of make sure you can see the prior line, so it's good enough.
Okay, I haven't put mine together yet, so I have no idea. But you've been trying it out, and I'm going to be trying it out as well. And I think you're about ready to mow right now. So he's going to go ahead and mow. We'll get a little bit of action here with this super recycler, and I'm going to go home and put mine together. So there you go, just wanted to update you on Gavin's super recycler, because you're not gonna see it anymore, because you're gonna see that one. And I think he's excited about it. You like it, you're happy with it.
It handles.
It handles, gets the job done. We've been talking, comparing notes a little bit. There are some things that we have noted for the review, and I'm actually kind of looking forward to that. I think it's gonna be a solid review. We're gonna get that out to you as soon as possible. Also, he might have a good candidate here for a fall project lawn. Just moved into the house, what to do. I think that'll be some good content. If you're interested in something like that, let me know down below. Comment, say you want to see this as a project lawn. A little renovation here in the front yard. He does. I wonder why.
Please.
But I think even just with water that it's been getting here, water has done a big thing here. I can pull some content, some clips from when we were here last time.
He told me what sprinkler heads to get. We got some nice ones because it wasn't reaching the whole lawn.
We've been doing a little bit here and there already, but as far as taking care of the weeds and things in here, and just making it really, really nice. I'm thinking we could do that this fall. So please, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. That's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for us this time. Until next time, thank you for watching. We'll see ya.